fishing.
This is called a stringer. I'll show you how that works later.
And this one is
That's a bobber.
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 And fishing, and you can dip the water.
These are some handmade baits that Great Grandpa made. You haven't met Great Grandpa yet, but he made these.
Yes, maybe.
Look at this one.
And
This one's made out of deer hair.
And
Those look like bugs in the water, and the fishies eat bugs, so they bite them.
and this one is fishing pole.
That's a fishing bobber.
A fishing bobber.
That's your fishing pole over there. There's a couple more things in here too. There's some extra. There's a thing to put your name tag in, and there's some more baits, and some lead weights, some sinkers, some extra line for your pole. I'm not sure exactly what this is.
That's
for.
your lanyard to put around your neck to hold your cars. Show
You
him.
have your own fishing tackle box, and then when you cut the line, you use fan-up clippers so don't break the teeth.
Oh, you know how to make those, don't you? Use those, don't you, Brent?
And there's room for one car right there, so you can take a car with you.
You can even take a car.
Yeah, if you get
Put a
bored
couple
while
of
you're
them in
fishing,
there.
you're not getting any
Put cars
bites.
with you when you go fishing.
Show him his fishing pole again.
You get some little line. So waiting for your bobber to go down so you can play.
Hand him his fish pole again so I can put it on the picture.
Don't get in there and get the fishing pole.
Yeah.
Well,
There.
hold it.
Can you hold it for Daddy?
Hold it for, so we can take a picture and send it to Daddy.
Can you just hold on? You hang on to it? No? Okay.
Oh, they don't want to hurt you. It's nice and soft. Look at that handle.
We need to pull up some fishing videos so you understand.
Look at that bait I put under for you already. That one's white with a
Fishing
red
likes to
head.
see it.
Okay.